first introduction to data analytics is over. I think so. Although the stops there's a left out, we'll be discussing. Then types of analytics also over. Types of data to be discussed. Analytics in different sectors and optimization. So time series analysis we have not added over anywhere. Data cleaning, pre-processing, data visualization, video to be discussed in upcoming session. Okay. So in this week we'll be discussing something that is time series analysis. So predictive analytics to be discussed. So this is practice. So here we can add something else. Where to add time series analysis? Yes, I think yeah. Incorporate it. Yeah. So we can continue the class. So after 9:30, everyone have already taken their dinner, right? Done with the dinner, right? Am I right? Dinner is
Yes,
over,
it's over.
Not yet, sir, but okay.
but we can extend the class to 9:40. Is that okay for everyone?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. So types of analytics we already have discussed. Okay, right? Yes. Yes or no? Follow.
Yes, sir.
So what are the importance of analytics? All those stuff to be discussed. Optimization to be discussed as well. So descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, prescriptive, all those stuff I have discussed. Mean, median, mode, standard deviation already discussed. Optimization we have discussed.
No,
Hmm?
sir.
Not yet, sir.
I think optimization not here. One will be analytics types of data. After that, types of data we'll discuss. Optimization. Optimization means gradient descent. No, not here. Optimization to be deleted from here. Very difficult for you. Um, where we should add this optimization and predictive analytics to be added, not here. Predictive analytics to be added over the mark. Right? Yes, if you got it. And here we'll be discussing the project. Everyone, are you getting it? Hmm? Yes, getting it, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So when we are talking about data analytics and its types, so it's all over. And let's see our PPT, whatever it is there. According to that, will be discussed. And so in the one thing we should discuss that is Weka tool. Okay, getting it, everyone. Weka tool to be discussed. So now I'm sharing my screen. So when it comes to the data analytics, data sources, first where we are collecting your data set. The data can be collected from various sources, including surveys, transaction, and social media. And then structure that. Have we started the recording?
Yes, sir.
So various data sources means the data can be collected from various sources, including your surveys, transactions, and social media. Then structured data, because data may be structured or unstructured. And structured data is organized in a predefined manner, while unstructured data is more varied. And then when you are talking about understanding the sources of data is crucial for effective analysis and visualization. What are the importance of data analytics? All those terms we have already discussed in the introduction session, right? Data analytics enables businesses to understand their customers better, and it helps in identifying trends that can lead to competitive advantage. Then when it comes to the data analytics processes, it begins with data collection from various sources, collection, cleaning. After collection, it comes to cleaning, that is essential to ensure the accuracy and reliability. Finally, data analysis involves applying statistical methods to drive the insights. The methods can be collected from surveys, interviews, everything. Then what is data cleaning and preparation when it comes to data analytics? So when it comes to the types of uh, data analytics, okay, uh, sorry, data means life cycle. First, it involves your data collection, right? Then, what understanding the data. All of you are getting it. Any confusion? Please tell me. Hmm. All of you.
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just a second. So when it comes to data cleaning and preparation, first cleaning involves removing the inaccuracy. You can understand, will understand it better when we'll be discussing your life cycle. We'll be discussing EDA in detail. So and irrelevant information. Preparing the data may include normalization, transforming, or aggregating it. Then this step is important as you're ensuring the validity. Then what are the tools and technologies we are using data analytics? Popular analytics tools include Excel, R, Python, and SQL. And these tools offer various functionalities for data manipulation, analysis, and visualization. Then it comes to what is data visualization. Data visualization is the graphical representation or information of data. Yeah, all of you. What is data? What are the tools and technology you are using for data analysis and visualization?
Power BI and Tableau.
Tableau and Power BI.
Python, Power BI. Python also from Matplotlib.
Excel can also be used.
Mm-hmm. What? Yes. So where means Power BI also you are using, right?
Right.
Power BI and Tableau. No one told me about that. So when it comes to data analytics, here we are examining the raw data from to find the trends, patterns, and insights that support decision making. And it may involve data collection, cleaning, processing, and applying statistical and ML technique to extract the valuable insights. Then when it comes to data visualization, is the graphical representation of information and data, and it helps in understanding the complex data sets quickly by using the elements like your charts, graphs, maps, and dashboards. Right? Right or not? So here
Yes.
one thing we added the
Yes, sir.
types of data. Types of data you all know, right? Okay, I will discuss this later. So when it comes to data analytics and in different sector and Weka tool to be discussed in the next class. All of you remember this. Okay.
Okay,
Data
sir.
analytics in different sector and Weka tool to be discussed in the next class. Today we'll discuss the life cycle and the types of data. So analytics and analytics type already discussed, nah, isn't it?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
When it comes to data visualization, I told you it is a graphical representation of information and data, and it helps in understanding what the complex data sets quickly by visualizing using some visual elements like a chart, graph, etc. Right? Then importance visualize makes it easier to interpret and communicate data findings, and it allows stakeholders to grasp complex information at a glance. The types of visualization. So here, what are the various types of visualizations are there? Now, let me tell you. So here you can see some of the types. Now, you know what is tree map? Anyone here? What is tree map? Anyone knows? Hmm.
Sir,
Follow.
hierarchy based model.
Hmm. On a way. What are the visualization to visualization types? First, we are using one Gantt chart. Gantt chart we are using for when we want to track the project schedules over time. We want to clarify the project timelines and tracks. Means the project management and planning we are using Gantt chart. Then there is one thing called bubble chart. You can see over here. Right. What is bubble chart? It displays the data in bubble size variations. So advantages is it shows three types of data dimensions. And when we are comparing the social media engagement matrices, we are using this type of charts. And what is scatter plot? Scatter plot means it plots the data points on two axes. The advantages is it identifies the data correlations and clusters, and we are using this in when we are analyzing the relationship between the variables. Then there is one thing called histogram chart. Histogram chart. What is that? Histogram chart. We are visualizing the data distribution in beams, and it is easy to see the data frequency. And you are using this when you are understanding the age distribution in a survey. We are using histogram chart. What is bar chart? Bar plot. We visualize the data with rectangular bars, right? Bar chart here. And the advantage you can see, it is easy to compare, easy to make the comparison of two different groups. And means two or more different groups. In use cases, when you are comparing the sales across different regions, we are using bar chart. What is line chart? It shows the trends over time with lines. Means when you want to clear the display of data changes, we are using this. And most common example is we are tracking the stock market performance by using line chart. Stock market or cryptocurrency. What is pie chart? Bhai log, what is pie chart? It represents the data in circular segments. Means there is simple proportion visualization. Means when you are displaying the market share distribution, you are using pie chart. What is maps? Maps. It is used for geographical data representation map. Means spatial pattern recognition, visualizing the population density by area we are using maps. Already bullet chart. It measures the performance against a target. Means when you are compact the alternatives to gauge or meters, we are using bullet chart. Means tracking the sales performance against the quotas, we are using this bullet chart. What is the highlight table? Means the tabular data coloring based on values. Means it is quick identification of highs and lows. You can do that. Means means example we can say that heat map survey responses we are using highlight table. What is tree maps? Tree map means hierarchical data with nested rectangles. The advantage is it is efficient space uses for category use cases when displaying the file system uses. What is box and whisker plot? Box plot and whisker plot. Anyone? It is summarize the data distribution and outlier. Means it is the concise representation of data space. Use case you can tell that comparing the exam scores across classes, we are using box plot and whisker plot. What is waterfall chart? We are using this to visualize the sequential cumulative effect, and the advantage is it clarifies the source of final value. Use case you can find in understanding the profit and loss company. These are the various types of graphs, right? Then that best practices for data visualization, keep visualization simple to and avoid clutter to enhance readability. What are the tools for visualization? Tableau, of now, all those tools are there. And then integrating analytics and visualization means combining analytics and visualization. Means both analytics, data analytics and visualization are crucial in various domains, including your business, healthcare, finance, marketing, research, and it is drive better decision making to improve the efficiency. Right? Means visualization can help to highlight key findings from the analysis process, and this integration foster better communication and understanding among stakeholders. Role of statistics in data analytics. Statistics provide the foundation for analysis and interpreting the data, and it helps in making inferences and predictions based on the data trends. Knowledge of statistics is a method that is important in effective data analytics. We have not added statistics. No. That word. Yeah, we can add. Here we can add, right? Statistics. mathematics and statistics. Only statistics. Got it? हो गया? All of you. Can you hear me? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So the role of statistics, you all got it. Machine learning in data analytics. What is machine learning? What are the types of machine learning? Can anyone tell me? Then we'll discuss the life cycle.
SVM, cluster, CNN.
What is machine
And,
learning?
we have
What
One
is machine
for
learning?
integration.
Arey, one question I asked you. What is machine learning? It is a subset of artificial intelligence. Then I need the perfect definition of machine learning. Anyone? Can you tell me? Let me ask you some of those.
Start developing algorithms to make computer learn.
Somehow you are right. Somehow you are right. Anyone over here who knows? No, let me ask. Dipti Kumari, are you there? Mayur Gazre, Pooja Damre,
Yes, sir.
tell me what is machine learning?
So machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence which focuses on enabling computer and machines to initiate the way of that human learn and perform tasks.
Mhm. Anyone over here? Inder Sekhar, can you tell me?
Sir,
Yes,
it's
sir.
like
Sir, I just spoke.
Tell me.
it's a
Well,
super smart assistant. Learn from the experience, sir. Past experience, sir.
Mhm.
To get that task, sir.
Acha. Mhm.
sir, machine learning help
What
us
is?
to hello.
Bol.
Machine learning help us to algorithm to analyze data and finds patterns. That is called machine learning.
Okay.
Sir, hello, sir.
Bol.
Sir, machine learning enables computer to learn from the data and make prediction. और उसमें ज्यादा कोड बड़ा बड़ा कोड लिखने का जरूरत नहीं पड़ता है. सिर्फ थोड़ा एल्गोरिदम लिख दो उससे और डेटा पे ट्रेन कर दे तो वो कंप्यूटर लर्न कर लेता है हाउ ह्यूमन बिहेव, हाउ ह्यूमन थिंक्स एंड ऑल.
One
What was
singer
this?
was the singer one was there in your class or not? A girl name, I don't remember her name, but I think your batch or Python who told me he is a singer. Her hobby is singing.
No, sir. In this class only.
Okay, then who is that? Please come forward and tell me the answer. Uh, what's the name? I didn't recall. Are you there? No. So machine learning is nothing but it is the subset of artificial intelligence, and ML is the ability of a machine to learn from the data and replicate the human behavior. And it allows programs to learn automatically and make computers more intelligent without being explicitly programmed. Okay, the various types of ML we'll be discussing. We'll be discussing some of the types, and we have not added those stuff, so have to add. Mainly clustering we have to discuss. Because data when it comes to customer segmentation and all, that's next to be discussed. when we'll discuss machine learning. Here it is. Introduction to Python for data analysis and machine learning. At that time, we'll be discussing your concept. And then so this to be said along with all of you soon. Okay, this to be said. Yeah. When it comes to types of data that may be supervised, when it comes to machine learning types, supervised, unsupervised reinforcement, and some of the books are claiming that there are three types, and another type will be semi-supervised. But supervised is when it is so when the algorithm is just data developed by supervised environment or the labeled data, unsupervised means unlabeled reinforcement is like this. Okay. We'll move to that when we'll be discussing these machine learning types and technologies in the upcoming sessions. Okay. Now our main objective is to understand this. Machine learning algorithms, linear regression, various machine learning algorithms are there. Then big data, data analytics. Big data is added or not? Hmm? No, big data technologies. Yes. Have to check. Then case study, retail analytics, we can look into it. Case study of Netflix. Netflix uses data analytics to recommend its shows and movies to the users, means the recommendation engine. Viewing history and preferences are analyzed to tailor content suggestions, and this personalized experience has significantly contribute to user retention. Ethical considerations, the data privacy needs to be taken into consideration, should be taken into account, like GDPR and HIPAA rules to be followed. Applications of data analytics is widely used in healthcare for patient care optimization. In finance, it helps in risk assessment and fraud detection, and retailers use analytics to enhance customer experience and inventory management. Real-world applications, data analytics and visualization used in healthcare to improve the patient outcomes. Financial institutes leverage analytics to detect the fraud and assess the risk, and governments use data to enhance the public service and some policy decisions. Challenges, data privacy and security are significant concerns when handling sensitive information, and ensuring the data quality and consistency can be challenging and time consuming. Organization must invest in training and tools to overcome these hurdles effectively. The future of future trends in data analytics, the rise of AI and ML is transforming data analytics, and real-time analytics is becoming increasingly important for timely decision making. And data democratization is a trend where more employees gain access to analytics tools. Building career in data analytics, data means the career in data analysis requires strong analytical skills and technical skills. These are the learning resources, career opportunities. Then in conclusion, we found that data analysis and visualization are critical components. Uh, okay. So, data analytics and visualization are critical components in today's data-driven world. To be added for this related first. Like, Data analytics and visualization are important components in today's data-driven world. Analytics is a powerful tool for transforming raw data into actionable insights. Mastering these skills can lead to a significant career opportunities. So now now we'll discuss the life cycle within 10 minutes. When it comes to data analytics life cycle, first the step is data collection, right? All of you, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
All of you? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
First one is
Sir.
data collection. Means collect the raw data from multiple sources like database APIs and IoT devices, with scrapping surveys or third-party providers. Then ensure the collected data is relevant, accurate, and sufficient for analysis. Then you can use your suppose an example is an e-commerce company gathers customer data from websites, interactions, purchase history, and customer support charts. Then the second step will be data cleaning and preparation. Means remove the duplicate records, handle the missing values, correct. So we have not added outlier detection technique after EDA. Many things to be added. भाई सब कुछ डिस्कस करना है. Optimization. So before EDA कब होगा? हाँ EDA के बाद डाटा विजुअलाइजेशन. अरे EDA में तो डाटा क्लीनिंग प्री प्रोसेसिंग वो सब EDA में ही आएगा. डाटा क्लीन. So after that, inside EDA, we need to discuss imputation, then your outlier detection. Optimization, gradient descent optimization. No. No. If we'll discuss optimization, so EDA to be discussed first, then optimization. Optimization. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Sir.
Yes, sir.
Project कर लेते हैं. Project discussion. EDA को इधर ऐड कर लेते हैं. Then we'll be doing optimization.
Excuse me, sir. I need to ask something.
बोल.
So could you just please send this PPT as I need to know some more and
Sure भाई. Sure.
understanding.
No question.
Yeah.
Sure कर लूँगा.
Okay.
Imputation in EDA, and we're discussing EDA, imputation, outlier detection, optimization, data visualization. अरे ये तो हो गया ना.
Hello, sir.
Just
Can I ask you one question?
हाँ बोल भाई.
Sir, I wanted to ask कि वेगा टूल जो आप पढ़ाने वाले हो बेसिक से पढ़ाने वाले हो कि हमने कुछ उसमें पढ़ के आए?
No, you should prepare along with that. We'll just overview to that. इससे मतलब डिस्कस
Okay.
फुल डिस्कस करने के लिए टाइम नहीं है हमारे पास.
Okay.
All of you,
Okay.
I can suggest you what are the stops are there. You just look into it. We'll overally just discuss. Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Okay. Thank you to let us know.
Mhm. ये टाइम नहीं होगा. हैंडलिंग एंड डीलिंग विद डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ डाटा. So in the next class, what I told you to discuss, analytics in different sectors. Absolutely. इसको ना एक काम करते हैं, इसको यहाँ इसको डिस्कस करते हैं. Work out analytics in different sectors. Okay. टाइम टू टाइम हम इसमें मतलब करेंगे, अपडेट करेंगे. ठीक है. अगर कुछ ऐड करना हो, अभी याद नहीं आ रहा है, कुछ याद आएगा किस टाइम तो कर लेंगे. ओके ना. बोलो.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So when it comes to data, the second step in life cycle, data cleaning and preparation, it removes the duplicate records, handling the missing values, and correct the inconsistencies and standardize the formats, and transfer the raw data into a structured format using tools like Panda, SQL. Suppose a bank preparing customers' transaction data for fraud detection, and it ensures that the missing values are imputed, transaction dates, and all are correctly formatted. When we will be discussing EDA, there we can understand the imputation. We understand imputation, optimization, and then your outlier detection. Are outlier detection we have added or not? We have added outlier detection. In a syllabus we have added the course, in the course we have added the outlier detection or not? अभी कर रहे थे भाई, याद नहीं है किसी को? हाँ yeah. Here it will come your IQR, Z score. अभी हाईलाइट भी कर रहा हूँ सो दैट तुम लोग को इजी हो जाए. पढ़ के आओ, थोड़ा क्लास में डिस्कस करेंगे साथ में. So and these things will be shared along with you, all of you, tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So when it comes to data exploration and analysis, the third step, we are performing the EDA technique to understand the pattern, correlation, and trends. And we are using statistical technique like mean, median, mode, standard deviation, correlation. We have already discussed mean, median, mode, standard deviation, etc. Already we have discussed.
Yes, sir.
Then we're identifying the key business insights. Then the fourth step is data modeling and machine learning algorithms. Means apply the statistical or ML models to predict the outcomes, detect the anomalies, and classify the data. And use the technology like regression, classification, clustering, or time series forecasting from machine learning. Then trend test and evaluate the models to ensure its accuracy. Then the fifth step will be after modeling and evaluation, it comes to visualization and interpretation. Means convert insights into meaningful visuals using charts, graphs, heat maps, and dashboards, and use the tools like Power BI, Tableau, Matplotlib, Seaborn, or T3JS to visualize it, and present the findings to stakeholders in an easy to understand format. Then decision making, after visualization, decision making and deployment, means implement the insights into business strategies, automate the decision processes, and deploy the models into productions. Then continuously monitor the data performance and update models when necessary. What are the importance of data visualization? It helps in identifying trends, pattern, and outlier quickly, and it makes the complex data easier to interpret and present. And it enhances the decision making by providing the actionable insights, and it allows the real-time monitoring through the dashboards, right? So can you tell me what are the real-time applications of data analytics and visualization? In finance, we are using for fraud detection, stock market prediction, risk assessment. In healthcare, we are using for patient diagnosis, hospital resources allocation, disease prediction. In e-commerce, we are using this in customer segmentation, then recommendation system, sales forecasting. Then in marketing, we are using campaign performance analysis, customer behavior tracking. Then in supply chain, we are doing demand forecasting, even optimization rules or optimization you are using, route optimization you are using. Means data analytics and visualization work together to transform the raw data into actionable insights that drive informed decision making. Means by follow the data analytics life cycle, organization can process data efficiently and extract the meaningful patterns that lead to actionable insights. We have added predictive analytics. Mhm. I think what you know, because uh, before predictive analytics, and time series analysis, we should discuss Python and ML algorithm. I think. I don't know whatever you guys are thinking. Introduction to Python and for data analysis, we should discuss here. Because data analysis and visualizations using Python, we have already discussed. And then your predictive analytics and everything to become this side. And what do you say? Guys, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
I think this would be helpful for all of you. Because Python is matplotlib C1. अरे अभी ये सब क्या चाहिए? Introduction to Python. Using Python तो ये ना Python matplotlib C1. तो यहाँ ये सब क्यों आएगा? Introduction to Python for data analysis वो तो काट देना चाहिए. But I thought machine learning algorithms to be discussed first. Then here in the next upcoming month we can discuss this. What say? Yes. क्योंकि प्रेडिक्टिव एनालिटिक्स से सब समझ में नहीं आएगा तुम लोगों ने तो. After clustering and everything, we should discuss this. हुआ ना? All of you. एक मतलब चेंज करना पड़ेगा. तो तुम लोगों को समझ में नहीं आएगा. हो गया अभी. So having said that, we have discussed up to life cycle, then analytics in different sector and Weka tool to be discussed in the next class. Right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
having
sir.
said, wind
Yes,
up the
sir.
class for today. Yes, having said that, let's wind up the class for today, and we'll meet in the next class. That will be day after tomorrow or Saturday. Okay. Goodbye, everyone. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
So let me stop the recording.
Sir, please share the PPT. And
Sure. Now I'll say. Just wait for me. Else I'll share it now in front of you. Just wait. Can you wait for 2 more minutes?
Okay, sir. Okay. No issue.
Because no